home buying becomes affordable again in 2026. That's my opinion, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about why I think that's the case. So the first thing I want to do is give you a few bullet points as to what I'm going to talk about in terms of why I think this is a good time to buy. I know that's a line you hear all the time, and now is the best time to buy. You always hear that no matter what the environment is. Well, I think really when you look at some of the graphs we're going to show you here in a minute, I think you'll have a better understanding of why I think we're actually are in a much better shape, much better place than we were even just a couple of years ago as it relates to mortgage rates and buying a home. A few of the key data points to confirm are falling mortgage rates. Next one is cooling home prices. And then the third one is improving inventory. Now, if you think about it, now that all sounds fine, right? I mean, yeah, rates are falling. Well, are they? A lot of folks out there don't think they have, at least not in a significant way. Home prices. Well, some would argue, well, we're still hearing that home prices are going up. Yes, but they're going up at a lesser rate. The rate of increase has moderated. It's not what it was, right through the pandemic and right after the pandemic. Home prices are still going up, but at a lesser rate. And then improving inventory. It wasn't too long ago where we had inventory for sale of like less than 2 months, having less than 2 months supply based on the sales rate. That has changed quite a bit. Now, are we back to the historical normal, of what's generally been considered a 6-month supply? No, we're not quite there yet, but we have been heading in the right direction. So let me show you a few charts here. I'm going to give you like 3 different charts that I want to show you to kind of illustrate this point. So here's the first one, falling mortgage rates. Now on this chart, what you can see is this is the average 30-year fixed rate has declined from almost 7% in early, basically January 2025. Now, if you see that chart, it's got that nice downward slope we like to see. As of December, it was down to 6.19. I mean, that's 80 basis points, as we call it. Now, by the way, these rate numbers we're showing you here, these are based on rates that are published by Freddie Mac, the Federal Home Loan Mortgage Corporation. They publish the average conforming rate on a weekly basis. And of course, keep in mind that's an average. So it takes into account all interest rate levels depending on the particular transaction.